Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring a new video for you about the spy cameras. Nowadays, the small gadgets plays important role in our life. So in the security purpose, the first camera I bring for you is the panoramic camera, 360 degree. This camera actually based on the 360 degree directions of the rotation, and you can connect this camera through the Wi-Fi on your phone, and it has also a detection for the motion. It has the ability of the night detection as well. So here it is the tutorial for this camera. You can check, look, we can manage different positions, different viewing mode on this camera by rotating. So actually a small tiny bulb is there, and inside that bulb there is small lens which is recording in the HD. So you can avail this service. Look at here, there are 4 positions of this camera from which we can take our images. Now we'll go ahead for the next. Look at the night vision. The same place in 2 different photos, in 2 different visions, but in the left side it is daytime and the right side it is the night time, but it was very clear. Auto sensor turn on. Actually it gives you when somebody will come, it will detect the position of it and it automatically detect its position. It is also a Wi-Fi wireless camera, so it can be used in your pockets or in any places where you can keep it. It is also connected to your camera app. There is phone app in your phone, and you can connect this through Wi-Fi with the camera, and you can put it on your pocket, in the pant or in the shirt pocket. So here it is the complete tutorial how you will connect this camera. You can buy this camera, the link given in the description. You set the password, and after all the settings you will definitely enjoy the service of this camera. If you want to buy this camera, you can buy this camera and you can avail the service of this camera. So simple. Here another tiny camera. Basically this camera is a tiny camera. It can be used on the bicycles, on the scooters, or also on the cars. So here it is complete tutorial for this camera. You can also buy this camera from the link given in our description. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and also share the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because it will give you the information about the upcoming videos. So I will bring a lot of material from the gadgets industry for you.
That stored that video on the micro SD. So over here we have the mode button. I'm going to press that. The red indicator light blinks slowly. This means that it's ready to go in sound activation mode. And we're going to have to activate it by pressing the record button on top. And now you'll see that the red indicator starts to blink quickly. This means that it's recording in sound activated mode. And this will last 2 minutes. If it doesn't hear sound within 2 minutes, it will stop recording. and the red indicator light will slow down again, meaning that it's not recording in sound activated mode until it hears sound again. So in that mode, you can go over to it, snap your fingers, talk to it, and you'll notice that the red indicator light starts blinking slowly again, and that means that it started recording in sound activated mode again. So if you want to stop the sound activated mode recording process, you can hit the record or stop button on the top, and you can hit the mode button on the side, and that'll put it in idle again. You'll notice that the indicator lights are steady blue. Power it off, take it to your computer, and
go without it, and in the box.
Okay, this is the unit itself. It's got 6 infrared LEDs around the outside, a tiny little lens. The only other things on it, it has a mode button and an on-off button. Quite self-explanatory. The mode button switches the mode, on-off turns on and off, and it starts the recording, takes a picture, and it puts into the other modes. These are the clips you get with it. One's a wall mounting bracket, or maybe for a car DVR. This is almost like a hair clip or a clothes peg type clip. It's got serrated teeth on it. It's got 4 hooks that hook into the recessed bit on the camera itself. So for example, just line it up at the bottom, clip it in at the top, and you're able to clip it onto anything, for example like that. It's got some rotation to it, so you can orientate it whichever way you like. Or you could have it upside down on a car windscreen sun visor for DVR functionality. It has a little pair of holes here for a lanyard. That's where your micro SD card goes, the charging cable goes, your microphone is up top here. And if worst comes to a worst, then it doesn't do what you expect it to do. I believe this hole is where you can poke a pin to reset it. It's a nice small camera. You know, it's about the size. I've got rather large hands, but you know, it's about, I don't know, 20mm by 20mm. The only other thing you get are the instructions, and they are very, very vague and hard to decipher at the most. You can gain information that you need to operate it from it, but it takes a little bit of trial and error. For example, to turn it on, just press the power button. You have 2 LEDs that are visible here, which are a red and a blue. You turn it on and it goes to blue, which is 720 video. To start the video, you just press the power button once and the light goes out. You think it's gone off, but it is actually recording. To stop it again, you press the button once again and the lights will come back on. For example, change it to 1080p. 720's a blue light. Press mode once, it'll go to the blue light and the red light showing at the same time. Same again, a quick press will start the video recording in 1080p, and a quick press again will stop it. One more press will change it to a pure red light, which puts it into photo still mode, and just a single click. If you want the motion sensing or motion capture enabled on any of the modes, what you do is turn it on as normal, select which mode you want, 720, 1080 or still, and I believe you hold this, the power button, instead of a quick press you hold it for 3 seconds, and that will enable it to start recording on motion sense mode. Press again to stop. To turn the unit off, you just need to hold the button down. It seems like it's about 6 seconds, so 5 seconds plus and the lights will go out. With that, that's all I can really say about the camera unit. It's got a bit of weight to it, got a bit of a rubberized feel to it. It's smaller than I expected, but the proof's in the pudding, so what we'll have to do is see how it performs.